Hey guys, this is today's look, and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, my loves. And yeah, so today's video we're doing an everyday makeup look. So that's me going in with my MUA makeup primer. Just put a bit on your face, just put as much as you like, really. I think, yeah, because we have to protect our skin. And yeah, that's me just wrapping it all over my face and my eyebrows. And yeah, we're gonna go straight to your eyebrows. First of all, you have to brush your eyebrows, get them out of the way. And if yours are quite as thick as mine, I think yeah, you definitely have to. And I'm gonna go in with my pencil, just slightly drawing it in. Make sure that you don't press your pencil down. Just yeah, I'm just like lightly rubbing it in, and yeah, just follow the process really. Okay guys, that's me. I'm gonna go ahead and brush the eyebrows again to mix the product and the eyebrows together and to just get that desired look, to be honest. And now I'm going ahead with my L'Oreal True Match foundation. Those are two different shades. I'll let you know what the shade is in the description down below, but yeah, I just like mixing those two together. And just go ahead and outline my eyebrows. And I don't like using a lighter concealer to do my eyebrows. I prefer foundation because that's where I get the desired look that I like. I don't like leaving that lighter shade. I don't know. I prefer it if it's the same shade as my foundation. That's just my preference, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead with white concealer. That's Technique. Um, I believe you can get that from Boots and Amazon and eBay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead with that. Oh yeah, Boots is a drugstore from the UK, guys, if you don't know. So yeah. Okay, guys, as you can see, I am putting where I believe I have dark marks. And of course, I like to use it under my eyes because the finished look is gorgeous. So yeah, that's just me blending away with the beauty blender. It's a bit damp as well. Okay, so now guys, we're moving on to our foundation, which is still the same foundation, which is L'Oreal True Match foundation. Those two together, I will mix those two together to get my shade. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my face and body mist before I actually blend everything together. And yeah, I'm using my brush as well to blend, and then I go in with the beauty blender after the brush. Okay guys, so after that we're gonna go ahead with our concealer. I'm using two concealer, the lighter one and a bit darker. And the one that's close to my skin tone, that's from Sleek, I believe. And the other one is called 17 seconds, I think, yeah. But everything is gonna be linked in the description down below, you guys, so do not worry. And yeah, that's me blending the first concealer, and then from there I'm going in with a white concealer, the one that we used in the beginning. Okay guys, I know that's a lot of concealers going on, but again I'm going in with my 17 seconds concealer. And yeah, I'm putting that in my usual spots, which is on my cheek and on my nose, and also on my chin and forehead as well. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend it. Okay, you guys, so I'm not going to talk too much on this part because I spend so much time blending. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm sure you get it. Just keep blending really to make sure that your makeup is intact and is in place, because If you don't blend properly, it's just gonna look a hot mess. But yeah, that's just me blending away. Okay, you guys, so after blending with my beauty blender, I'll go back with my foundation brush to remove all the harsh lines between the contouring, between the light and dark contouring products. So I just go ahead with my foundation brush and just buff everything out. Okay, you guys, so at this stage, this is just self-explanatory because I am gonna go ahead with my powder and just place it where I contoured earlier. So yeah, this is the lighter powder, and then I am gonna go ahead with my dark powder after using the lighter powder. So yeah, just keep watching really, and I hope it's not confusing you guys. Okay, you guys, so if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so you're just gonna see the finished look and let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.